Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meryl. If you are new here, hello. Thank you for joining me today. And if you're not new here, thanks so much for coming back. I appreciate it. For today, I thought we'd do a no makeup look-ish. I mean, I'm still gonna obviously be wearing makeup, but like no foundation. No foundation makeup is what we will call this video. So it's gonna be like bronzy and like glowy and just like pretty cute, I hope. Maybe pop on a little half wing, see where the day takes us, and let's get into it. First things first, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm taking my Anastasia Brow Free. Getting low, dude. This is honestly a holy grail. I don't think I can ever go back to anything else. That is very dramatic, but that's how I feel. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows. I just need to live in a box by myself with nobody else around. I swear to God, it's always something, man, and it's so annoying. Earlier, it was a guitar, and now it's the shower. Like, they know when I'm trying to film, and they just... Anyways, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna film anyways, so I'm super sorry about that annoying ass sound in the back. I hope it's done soon, but we will carry on. NYX brow pen in soft brown. Why did I say in a box? It could still be a house. I don't need to live in a box. Brows are on. I'm gonna moisturize the heck out of this face. I'm just gonna take this Glow Recipe Banana Soufflé Moisture Cream. It smells like bananas, dude. It just smells delightful. I'm going outside, so I'm gonna take my Supergoop Glow Screen, and this is really just gonna make you look fucking juicy, dude. And that's all I need. That's all I want. It literally just makes you look like the fucking perfect glow. And I've been wearing this just at work, so I've been putting it on, whatever, and then doing like my under eye concealer, and then I just powder my forehead so it doesn't look like too much of a Tin Man kind of situation. And it's perfect. And then the glow kind of seeps through the powder eventually, and you're just left looking hydrated and protected and glowy. It is amazing. It's amazing. It's my favorite thing. Okay, so we've got that on. Now, time to move on to the face. I'm gonna start off with like my contouring and highlighting products, blush, all that fun stuff, and then we'll go in after with our concealer. Is that what I'm gonna do? I don't think so, because maybe I want to put on under eye concealer first. I'm just gonna go in with a bit of this Kaja Catnap under eye brightener, just like a tiny little bit in here. Also, by the way, this sunscreen does sting my eyes if I get it into my eye. So I mean, just don't get it in your eyeball and you'll be fine. But like if you get it in there, like my eye will water for an hour. So that's that. Just be careful. Don't fucking accidentally get it directly in your eyeball, because I don't know if I have just like real sensitive eyes, but it hurts if you get it in there. So just once again, be careful. I'm gonna take my Quo Beauty, what is this? Miracle Cover Concealer, and put a little bit in my inner corner, like so. Oh, it's done. And I'm gonna take my Kosas Revealer concealer and add some onto here. And then later on, once I've got all of the like bronzer, blush, highlight on, I will go back in with concealer and kind of fill in the little gaps of where I want more coverage. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge. I think I'm actually gonna take my Fenty 02 Butta Biscuit and go the heck in with this. I'm taking it on my e.l.f. stipple brush. And then we can also at the end go in and set it a bit if we want to with some powder bronzer. Kind of got excited, that's like a lot. Also, please excuse my fucking helmet hair. I went on a bike ride today and I did not wash my hair after. That's why it's like real slicked onto the head. It's really cute. And like I said, I know it's like a little bit, like, I mean a lot of it. It's like a lot of bronzer, but we're gonna go in after with our concealer and kind of touch things up a bit. And just make things more defined. Maybe I'll take this Merit blush. It's, oh yeah. Oh, that's real pretty. I'm gonna take that and really load it on because there is no product underneath right now. So nothing's gonna move around. And this is quite a sheer blush. And who knows, I might have just gone fucking nuts with it. From the looks of it. It looks like I did. But I'm gonna take my little sponge. Looking bronzed. I'm into it. I'm gonna take now some Auric and apply it on the areas I want to highlight. Yeah, I definitely would like a bit of a deeper shade of this Glow Lust for the summertime. So that's what that's looking like. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer, conceal some spots. I'm gonna take my Kosas concealer. This is kind of like a perfect match for me right now, and I just love the way this concealer looks. So I'm gonna go down here. So that's all the like complexion correcting product I'm gonna use, and now I'm gonna blend it in. Was dramatic. That's the face. This is probably what I will be putting on my face in the summertime because it's not, doesn't feel heavy. It feels like really light and natural, and just nice and bronzed, just the way I want it. So we finally have a reopening plan, so hopefully this summer, actually last summer we were able to do things because they lifted restrictions like in June. I remember I was working at a restaurant and we shut down in March, and then we opened back up June 10th. So like places like Toronto and like Montreal, where they've literally been in a lockdown. I think Montreal's starting to open back up, but Toronto is fucked. Okay, shut up, Meryl. Okay, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury, look at that pan, Airbrush Flawless setting powder and just set my forehead. Not a ton, but like enough where it doesn't look super shiny. Just like that. It just like literally smooths it out. It's insane. And I'm gonna go under my eyes, just a bit down the side of the nose, just basically like the center of my face where things do get more dewy throughout the day, you know. And then it will stay set but also look nice and hydrated throughout the rest of the day. We still have a glow going on, but we're not like reflective, you know. There's that. That is the face. We're leaving it there. I will now move on to the eyes. We're gonna keep it like super simple. I'm just basically gonna set my eyelids and then maybe add a bit of a deeper shade just to contour a bit, and then we'll throw on a little wing. Call it a day. I'm gonna take this fluffy ass brush. This is my favorite brush, and I'm gonna take Matte 3 in my Makeup by Mario palette. This little like light skin tone shadow. Put that all over the whole thing. There are so many new products that I need, to put it lightly. like the Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. There's creams in it, velvet mattes, and some shimmers. And it literally looks so beautiful. It is $87 though. Like, that's expensive, dude. That is not a cheap palette. I don't think I've paid that much for a palette before. Like, 100%, I do not think I've paid that much for a palette. So that would be an investment. Literally looks so beautiful. Like, I fucking need it. So I will probably get it if we're being honest. I'm not gonna get it right now, but in a couple weeks. Had some expenses that I've had to deal with, so we're not spending foolishly at this time. But just wait. We will eventually. And also I need the Makeup by Mario contour stick, I think it's called, or dimension stick is called, something like that. I would love to get that. His highlighters look really nice. All of the products he just released actually look really nice. So, but as I just said, we're not foolishly spending right now. We're trying to be responsible just a little bit. And then I will buy that shit. Okay, I'm gonna dip into matte 4 and matte 8, mostly matte 4, just to get a nice little crease color. This is the perfect palette. Obviously there's no shimmers, but it's the perfect matte palette. I get a lot of use out of this palette. Just taking matte 4 onto the lid, just to make things look a bit more seamless. Oh, that's not good. Oh no, what happened here? Why did that happen? I'm gonna add a bit more of the darker one to this side just to even it out a bit, because it doesn't look even. That's for damn sure. I'm gonna take the other side of this brush and just do the bottom water line. This is a really nice mirror in this palette also. That looks nice. I'm just gonna take a clean brush, I think it's clean, and just go under here. We're leaving it there. I'm gonna just clean up here. We'll leave it at that. Those are the eyes, I think. I don't think I'm gonna add a shimmer. Look at that fucking skin, dude. A++. A++, it's just, that's the look I'm going for. That's it. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this. This is like some little weird Tarte thing that I got in my BoxyCharm. It's the Shape Tape Glow Wand. Do I want to add a bit? I'm pretty glowy though, dude. What do you think? Should we add it? Maybe just like doot doot. That's it. I've used it a couple times and it's actually quite nice. And it's like the right color, because the Auric one is just a little bit, I think, too cool for me right now. Okay, we're gonna leave it there because I will fuck it up if I don't stop. So, you know what I think I want? Some of this Kosas Soft Bronze in light, and just really load it onto this brush and just kind of go in here. It's not gonna do too much, but it'll do a little something. I'll do a little something something. Okay, this eyebrow is not having a good time. I think I'm stalling because I'm kind of nervous to do a wing. Because it's been a hot fucking minute. That's what it is. I'm definitely stalling. You know, like, how do people do that half wing? I don't think I'm gonna do it very well, but I think I'm just gonna go for it and try. Oh my god, what is this? This is dead. This is not a good liner anymore. I'm glad I tested that out. This is the Glossier black liner, pro tip liner, that I obviously haven't used in a hot, probably 6 months. This one looks way nicer. This is the Queen with a V, Qveen, I think, right? It's like it's called a Dragon liner. This is also from a BoxyCharm once upon a time. I'm gonna go in now because I do have to leave soon because I have a fucking flat tire in my car, and actually I have a little bit of time. Anyways, I have to go get it changed or fixed or whatever the fuck they do to a flat tire. Okay, time to stop stalling. How do people do it? Okay, ready? I don't think I am. Okay, I'm gonna take it to there, just like the middle of my eyeball, like kind of where the pupil ends on the inner corner. my god, she did it. Fuck, this is where I fuck it up because I keep going too far in. Okay, that's that. I will fix it in a minute. Fuck, I brought it in too far. Sucks. Next, I wish it was a little bit more thin on the inner portion, but whatever. It's too late now. It's already on, and if I do anything else to it, it's probably gonna get destroyed as I go in to try to fix it. Like, do I ever learn? No, I don't. I don't fucking learn, dude. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it fucking works, and sometimes it doesn't. So, yo, we got lucky. That is pure makeup luck. Okay, now it's time for some mascara. I'm gonna curl my little lashes. And now I'm gonna take my Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I really love this mascara. I only have the sample size, but you could fucking bet your ass I'm gonna buy the real size. But I still have, like, I feel like I've got a few more uses in this little bottle, so that's nice. I'm gonna focus it on the inner corner a little bit more because there's not any liner really in there. So it'll just make them look extra long, I think. Also, this mascara is really great for layering. All right, this is the face. I'm going to set my face with some Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. I'm going to line them a little bit with this Quo Nuditude 52. Now we're just going to chalk on a little lip oil. This is my KAB Beauty Lip Oil in the flavor Blue Raspberry. And just makes them look juicy, dude. I'm wearing a mask though, so honestly I'll probably take this off before I leave. That is the look. I may go in with a bit more powder because, you know, we're looking shiny, so nothing wrong with that, but I'm just going to take a little bit and just pat it around. Just right in here where it's like a little bit shiny for me. Powder also is really good for layering. I never find that I look cakey or like crusty or, you know, any of that. So I like this powder a lot. This is the final look. This is my no foundation summer skin look. Yeah, I think it looks just really pretty. So this is definitely what I'll be wearing all summer long. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a new technique that maybe you're gonna give a go to. Wow, that lip oil and that lip liner look really nice together because they're both cool toned. So I'm fucking into that little lip combo. It makes my teeth look white. Ooh, bitch. Okay. New summer lip combo for sure. Anyways, okay. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, if you want to see more of this. Thank you once again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.